Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for a Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I've made throughout the week. This showcase is from February 19th, 2022 through February 25th, 2022. So let's get started. First up, I have this cute card. It was for the Crafting Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which last week was Clean and Simple. I used this cute Perfect Friends stamp set. It is a previous stamp of the month from last year, but it is available in the shop now. And then I used the paw print stencil. And you might see my cat Alyssa going by today. She's very curious, I guess. I'm sorry for the camera shake. Go on. I know. Oh, she's feisty today. Anyways, it says Perfect Friends. Sorry about that. And it's stamped in the inside. Next up was the Crafting Kimmy Christmas Challenge. And this week it was glitter. I used to use glitter on almost everything. I mean, I had glitter everywhere and I loved it. Then I got more into stickles and like sparkle pens and stuff, and I haven't used glitter in a long time. I pulled out glitter for this challenge. Not as much of a fan as I used to be. It's really hard to see, but each one of these little snowflakes has glitter on it. And this stamp set is super fun. It's called Shake It Up. Love those cute penguins. And I stamped it very lightly in there. Next up was this cute card for my challenge group. There's a stamp for that. This uses the Stinking Cute stamp set from Crafting Kimmy. And I just love how cute he is. And there's the inside. So much fun. There will be a new challenge starting tomorrow for there's a stamp for that. So I hope you'll come join us. I have all of my sites and all the information about these cards, like where the blog post or the video is all linked below. My information, like where you can find me, is in a Linktree link, so it'll take you to everything that I have. Next up, I did my first process video, and I was super excited. I love this stamp set from Not Too Shabby, the fairy doors. I just love that the dies allow the doors to open. And I used some fairies from the greeting farm in there. I keep playing with it. And then I left the inside blank. But there is that fun card. And again, there's the fairies. So cute and fun. And then last for the week, on Wednesday, it was my turn to choose the Inspirational Wednesday stamp set for Crafting Kimmy, and I chose Life is a Journey. This stamp set is still on sale, so go grab it up. It's 40% off, and it says Life is a Journey, not a destination. I paper pieced that. I did a coloring video. It still just makes me so happy when I see this card. I can't wait to use that paper on some more cards. So there is my Saturday showcase for this week. I thank you for taking time out of your day to stop by. If you did not see my announcement, I am super excited for March. I'm going to do a new series where I'm going to have a coloring video up every single day in March. I want to color March happy. Looking forward to that. I'll still have Saturday showcases and some other videos up. So I can't wait. March is going to bring happy, good things. Have a great day.